Well, hello there, YouTubers, and welcome to day 3 of my 100 days of practice. So, if you've taken my watercolor journaling for beginners and artists on Skillshare, my class, then you will recognize the template that I'm utilizing in my 100 days of daily practice. Initially, I was going to do 100 days of daily videos, but I don't think I can commit to that. It's a lot of work to do these videos, but I am working on my video production skills and just working on producing content. I ordered some new art supplies and they'll be here Sunday or Monday, I think, and so that'll be fun. So I thought I would utilize different art materials during my daily practice. So what happened here was I decided that I was going to, because I've been taking some classes online and they talk about color palettes, and I do have a Pinterest board that's devoted to color palettes. So I thought, I'm going to do a color palette, and I picked a color palette which I had the footage, but it was corrupted, hence the video production skills I'm working on. So you didn't see it, but I went to my Pinterest board and I picked out this color scheme that you see that I put in the first. So I started out utilizing that color scheme, and then I just lost it right here. I'm still using those colors, but I mixed them. I didn't stick with those particular colors. So yeah, then I just thought, well, gee, that isn't going to work for me. So I totally went off the plan here, and I just started grabbing. I grabbed the brightest orange I could for the hair, and I decided to go with pink. And you can't really see, but I had splashed some green in my white, and that was driving me crazy. So then I got into some bubblegum pink, and yeah, totally went off plan. Then I started thinking about it, and I thought, well, I can, maybe take it back to plan. So no, I'm still off plan here. But I did, calm myself down right there. I went back on plan. Okay, yes, I was going to stick to this color scheme. I'm going to go back to that plan. So I went back to my initial colors. Most of the time I just like to paint more intuitively. I don't really come into it with a color scheme unless I'm planning a class for my students. I just don't want to leave that type of a thing to chance, because it doesn't always work out. But here I think it worked out pretty good. As far as the pink and the orange and the red, that's really where I went off plan, and then the green. But I did make the green with the colors that I had picked for this color scheme. So back here, I'm back on it, and with the brown, doing some hot pink. I wouldn't normally use this opera color that I'm using for this pink in my regular paintings because I sell them, but this is my watercolor journal, so it's not gonna leave my sketchbook here, so I don't mind using opera. And I think I'm going to test and see just how fugitive it is, because I noticed that one of my Rose Tyrene, it's a really bright pink wash by Winsor & Newton, that's fugitive. It's really not that bad. So anyway, hey, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow, blah blah blah, leave positive review, comment. All those things you do on the internet cost you nothing but mean a lot in the internet world. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Here's a close-up of my kind of check abstract. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.